to my channel Learning Techie, and please subscribe Learning Techie to get more videos like this. And let me tell you that I have recently uploaded a video on the Wednesday special, and the Learning Techie starts the Wednesday special. Please check out the playlist and please watch the video. And thanks for viewing the latest video of the static website, means how to make a static website in the 10 minutes. And you might think today that I am going to tell you that how to develop our tech blog, and I have also told you, but sorry for it, because I was formatting my computer and then it all get deleted. I will surely download all the files from the GitHub. So today we are going to use what is the best recording software, and it will be going to the free and the best watermark software without the watermark. So what is it? And I also record the computer screen and what the Learning Techie uses. So today's video is completely about the OBS Studio. Yes, OBS Studio is a complicated recording software, but it's the best recording software that I have ever used. I may use like the ScreenRake, the many other softwares, but OBS Studio is very much beautiful, and you can see that I have this round face and the Learning Techie banner image, and below there is the subscription bar. So these all are the effects of the OBS Studio. So as I am now in some virtual place, let's me reveal the real place. So I will delete all the elements and I will show you the reality of the OBS Studio. So let's jump into our computer screen, and also we will view the installation of the OBS Studio. Now I am at my computer screen, and you can see that the OBS Studio is open and it's completely recording. And you can see that this is element which I have the round face, and this is I have used the display capture. And if I move to the window section, the real one means you are seeing that there is the black pointer, but I will just change it into that. I have make it as the black and white, means it changes to the background color. So I will just go to the display capture, then go to the properties, and from automatic I will make it as the window screen which is available, and you can see that it's completely changed into my real pointer. So guys, this is the use of OBS, and you can see that it seems to you very much complicated, but for me, I was just using for 2 or 3 months, and then it means I habituated with the OBS, and it seems very completely beautiful. And there are the shortcuts, means you might think that I just click on this and edited the video and cut this, but no, I use the shortcut key, and then is the means it is perfectly given the shortcut key, but no, you can customize it. Means go to the settings, then you can go to the hotkeys, and then you can go to the start recording, stop recording, and the things. So I only need 2 of this for you. So as this is, and then you can see that I will just open my Google Chrome, and we are now going to see the installation of the OBS Studio. So just type install OBS and click on the download OBS, means the obsproject.com, and this is the download page, and I am in the Windows. So select the Windows, and if you are not, then just have a Google search on how to install OBS on the Mac, and how to install the OBS in the Linux. So click on the download installer, and I have the 64-bit machine. So there will be an application, and you have to completely install, and when after downloading, just double click it and just give the administrative permission, and then you will be successfully installed the OBS. Then launch on it, and you might think that sometimes I also install the lock screen, means I have also recorded the lock screen. For that I also use the OBS. So you might think that how I use the lock screen. So OBS gives us the perfect security. So let me show you. I am in my lock screen now, and you can see that this is the beautiful lock screen. And now I am going to use the give my password, and you can't see it because OBS provide this type of security, and I like it very much. So as I am now in my desktop, you can see completely my lock screen and the desktop. So I like OBS for that, and everything like this is it. And I can also close the display capture and then put my video on, and I can also delete my video. So as in the introduction part, I have shown you that this type of round image and the subscription bar there, and a banner image of the Learning Techie. So I will just delete it, and then I will go to my image, and in the image I will go to and browse the image, means I have named it as the BG1, and you can see click on OK, and I will just maximize it and make it as the perfect size as I want. So this is what I have done, and then I am going to use another image, means the subscription bar. I have taken it, and means I have taken it as a screenshot, and click on browse, and then go to, means I will just browse my image, and I will just place it here. Means you can see that it's also very much easy, you just do drag and drop every time. So I think that it's completely easy for you, and then I will click on my video capture, and then you can see that this is the perfect round video captures, and click on OK, and we have to make it round. For that we have to use the image, means go to the click on the video capture and go to the filters and click on the image mask blend. Okay, so click on browse, and I will just use a round image because I want the round shape, and I will just apply mask alpha channel. You can see that my image is round completely. I can just maximize it, and you can see that like my the previous intro, it completely look like this, and it's awesome, and I like it very much. And you can also customize this microphone, means I am using this microphone, the external microphone, and go to the mic aux, then click on settings, and then go to the properties. You can see the different types of microphones. Okay, so these are the microphones I have, the cameras and the things. So let me tell you that I made this video on the OBS because you might also think that I might have a YouTube channel and I can also get the subscribers, means many of the people can watch my video. So for that you need a recording software if you are a programmer like me. So being a programmer, I just have some Google search, just YouTube videos, and I install the OBS, and then I am now perfectly set, and I have also this studio time. So today for it, and I will just stop the recording, and please make sure that you have installed OBS, and please comment in the below, and if you have loved this video, then please comment, please like and subscribe to Learning Techie to get more videos.